Hey guys, welcome to CCAT Preparation. So in this video, we are going to be discuss about our new feature that will be a smart study planner. So that feature will be available by tomorrow. So now I will be giving some brief information what this feature exactly will do. So once you launch the website of CCATPREPARATION.com, here you see to organize your future. There is a one thing you said like manage your study planner. So once you click it here, you will have this page where you saying like whatever things, and there will be a one like this is a new feature. So what we are doing it here, we are providing a 50% off to all our existing subscribers which are already taken our any of the test series or a course. Okay, but there are some conditions which needs to be fulfilled before to getting this 50% off. So that you just need to be clear on the WhatsApp once you've completed these steps. Now, whatever the things are available with the study planner. So study planner is comes with the some of the templates like section A, section B, section C, or combination of A plus B or a combination of A plus B plus C. This five combination is only available for the CCAT side. Apart from that, we have two more things that is related with the DAC and DVD course. So this AC is a DAC and DVD is a DVD course. So this is the template. So that template means it here that the predefined offer your syllabus. So like everything will be a predefined allocation of hours are there. Everything will be pre-configured. On top of that, you need to be adjust your things. So how to adjust those things, we will discuss on that particular part. So suppose these are the available template. Let me log in it that some of the templates which I already configured it. So let me log in with some of the things. Okay. Once I log in, so I have already purchased some of the templates as of my for testing purposes, and there is a one template is available which I have not purchased, or which or would I say which I have not activated yet. So let's discuss about one by one. There is what are the features are available. Either you can see what is the feature list, what you will get in this particular study planner. You will see here. Okay. Then let me start with the one of the configuration. Let's say about section A. We'll check that. So once you click on any of these things, so this subscription I have already configured it. Now section A is there. So we have a few things. What is the subscription date? What is the type of that pro and the basic? There's some of the limitation feature between the basics and the pro. The weekly schedule, study timelines. Some of these microanalytic details are available. So how to configure that particular things here? So what I need to be do is let me start with the new one. So what I will do, there is only one is pending here. Let me buy his pro plan. Let me apply this. Yep. Mm, a- this is a dummy account so that you want to see the original payment here. Mhm. Once this is activated, this particular section will be available here. That section B activated. Now, there is no available template as of now because I have activated all the templates. So let's see about our section B. So once you purchase a newly one, so you will see what is the start date, end date, what is the type. And if you see there is a configure study planner is come at the first level. And there will be some default loads are already coming like 484. So you see where from this values come. This is come from the existing templates. Okay. So don't worry about that. If you see not configured, not configured, not configured, everything is not. If you only click it, first it is allowed to first configure it. If you click here, the calendar will be empty. Nothing will be there. You need to be configured first. Okay. So let me do configuration. So if I here now, what I purchase is section B. All of the subjects which are available even in the section B, it has been populated here. That is the template. So now, if you see there is some hours has been already been allocated here, some hours coming here, some hours coming here. Now see, this is a C programming. Now for each of the section, they are having some syllabus like that the syllabus which are going to be completed during the CCAT examination. Okay. So this 116 hour, this is given by us. Okay. So now you can change it. So now you have features. So C programming, the basics, operator, you see some of the subtopics are coming here like structure. I have run allocated hours to structure like you're doing from the basic side. Now it's depending, you see like this one, you said I will complete it in 1 hour. So just update it with the 1 hour. No worries. Now what happened? It is completed within 1 hour. It is not published. That means whenever adding a new topic or subtopic, in that case, you need to be publish the particular schedule. Then only this particular syllabus will be available. This is one condition. Even if you don't like anything, like if you, for this basic one, you don't want to be like attempt a quiz here, this is a 2 hours, I will reduce it. So you need to be just type as a confirm here, CONFIM, confirm, delete. So this is deleted. Now you see 2 hours to 1 hour and 3 hours are deleted. Okay. Now, so let me do one thing. You can add a topic here. The new topic. Which would you say? I will take a 5 hours. New topic, that is revision entire section. Revision and revision. That should be a 3. Then again, you need to put to a 5 here. Display order is 5. Let me create it. So it will create a new topic. Now you come as a 5 because you have put as a 5 as a display order. So it is coming up with the above. Okay. Now this is saved. Now I will go to the back to the configurations. Okay. So now this is updated to 134 hours now, but you need to be updated here. Even the syllabus is saying like 134, but you can take some of the biggest hours. You can say, no, I will take, instead of 135, I will take 16 hours extra. I will take 50 hours. Here saying 20 hours. Oh, this is an oops. I will take 140 hours. This is only for your display purpose. This is not going to affect anything, but whatever the put here, that will make a changes in your particular workload and all things. Now just seeing if we're changing here something, but it is not updating anything here. The reason behind that, you need to be select which day you are going to be study. Like 150 hours on 7 days, how many days you are going. So suppose I will select all days here. So once you selected, you see the above the things have been working started at 7 hours. So I'm expecting 7 subjects, 7 hours. What is now up to you? You say no. Sunday I will be studies 4 hours C and 4 hours uh, no, I will only study on Sunday. I will only study the C program because maybe remaining 4 hours you can study on the section A side because this is the only you have a purchase for the planner section B. But there is a combination of A plus B, so all the subject will be listed in here down. Okay, now this I have selected all the ways for Sunday. I will be spent here. Depend on your configuration. You can select each of the date if you don't like. If you don't like, I will not study this one. I will not study. I will not study. But this Wednesday, I will study 2 hours here. Okay. Now for this Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, I will not study, but here I will be studying 2 hours. Here I will be studying 2 hours. Now you see weekly how much hours you have spent particular this subject. So this one you will say I will study 2 hours. This will you say I will study 2 hours. This you say I will study 2 hours. This say I will study 4 hours. This you say I will study 2 hours. Now you see the configuration which you say 8 hours, this is more like that configuration 8 hours comes in this way, like we are supposing they say 8 hours, but you say no, for a Tuesday I will work for the 12 hours. Just update it. Friday I will study for 12 hours. Now it's totally up to you. You can decide your configuration how your study planner looks like. Okay. Now the second thing, the date one, what you're expecting to complete it, this particular syllabus, the start date, I would say like uh, I will start by the 5th of Feb, but I need to finish in the 3 months. So what is Feb, March, April, May? So I will say 30 May. So if you selected this one, 30 May, now still you have a 40-day early. That is saying like if you take 3 months, whatever the hours you are providing, it is coming before that. Like you have some big hour. Maybe you need to be update more hours here. Like you say 70, you will update 39 days, 70, because these hours are somewhere maybe only for the revision. But if you're studying like straightforward, um, newly like you're non-technical, you need a more hours, right? So you put it a more hours here. So you put the more hours. Now you see 23 days earlier. So even you are getting the 23 week earlier. So it will be around 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 months of the track here. 4 months. Okay. 1 month is here. Then I say, okay, publish my schedule. So in this way, as you see, from 0 to 1, that means the first time you have published. Now, whenever you say like, I need to be changed this particular entity, I need to be add new subtopic, I need to be add new topic, then you need to be do a one reset out. So that is the reason we have a 5 reset per subscription. But for the DAC and DBTA, it will be a 10. Okay. Now, once you particular screen, you have see multiple features here. Reset, view calendar, focus timer. Like sometimes you're studying on the some of the topics where need to be focused. Like I need to be study for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. In that case, you can be go focus timers. Here is the focus timer. And in 30 minutes, if you are doing something, something like I will study topic one Just add topic 1. Inside topic 1, I will study topic 1. Topic 1, I will study topic 12. So whatever you want, you can be added here and you can be deleted once here. Or if you are not want to be deleted, you just do completed, completed, completed. This is completed. Now, I just put the completed, but it's up to you. Okay. Now, for this one, I have added assigned 30 minutes completely here, but you can reschedule with your, like you are doing for a, no, I will only study for 5 minutes of just a revision of task. So say 5 minutes and then start it. So it will consume your time once you have started and once you finish it. So this is something we have built, like you can just tracking your something with the timer side. This timer is also available at the subtopic level as well, okay? And based on the allocation hour, it will display the time. Let me close it, this one. There is a view calendar is available. We will discuss it earlier. So now, whatever the date you started from the first Feb, 4th of May estimation track, how many clip, totals hours, average velocity, duration of 30 days studies, targeted finish is 30 May, but before you will finish it, there's a target or this is an estimation date. Maybe you can be reused for the revision type. Now, whatever the allocated hours you have suggested here, 150 hours. Now, this hours spent. Now, it's totally depend like how many hours you are spending on this particular topic, how many MCQs you have practiced, how many quizzes you attempt, and how many in which day you are going to be studying. So, this is some of the display or micro details have been available. Now, if I click on that particular topic, so it will go this particular section. Now you see whatever the topics you configure, as I added the new one revision here, so it is coming here. Now with this section you have a multiple things is available here, like this topic is completed. Suppose this topics you have already prepared. Okay, so now 2 hours here I have a much confidence here, so I save it. So now you see you have allocated a 1 hour, but you have allocated a 2 hour. That means you have going beyond your limit. So that is the reason it is coming as a 1. The same thing if I do here, 2 hours confidence level is may very slow. Even I studied, but the variable is saying the confidence level is this confidence level is, but you have completed within your time limit what you study. So that means you are not going beyond to that particular thing. Even you see the progress here, even not about this one. You can read any of the topics. So from here types, I will say completed it, I will say completed it, I will say completed it. Now, 3 things I have a Mac completed out of 368 topics. These 3 topics are completed, pendings are 5. Now, each and every step you're going, this message is going to be changed. This is the estimation type, how many weekly hours you paid, how many hours you spent, which is the day you are working. Same details are been available inside here. Now, the major thing is here. This is a pro plan for this particular topic. You can assign some of the personal notes here. Suppose now I'm generating some of the things here. So let me do formal messages which I'm here. So let me share and upload messages. We are displaying survey. I just copy paste. So whatever you want. 5,000 characters is the limit for a personal note for each and subtopic. Okay, you can save it. So first personal note I save it. Then this topic is not completed. I said I need more things to. I need quicker revision required and whatever you write. Okay, I just save it right now. So 2 notes I have added here. Now, even there is a one thing. So allocated hours is 1. Again, the focus timer is available. When you click here, you see 1 hour is completed here. Now the same thing. If you start time, text, everything will be there. 1 hour is complete, automatic is completed based on your topic. So if it is a 2 hours there, if I select this one, 2 hours will be correct. Once you start, it will start. So now for this topic you have started, there is some timer is available which you can be uh, play on your laptops, and this can be tracked like within 2 hours how much studies you have done. Okay. And let me close it. This feature is available for both of the basics and the pro. Also, now something like this topics I'm going to be learn now. But there is like after a few months, so there is should be some revision, or you find something new which has been there. So let me add some of the resources. So for this one, let me. I don't have any URLs right now, so let me even URL. Let me put one YouTube URL. So this is YouTube. I because this is a URL, you can put anything here, but you should be sure like whatever the URL you are placing here, this should be allowed to populate a website into a iframe. Then only that particular things will be visible here. Let me save here. I added a one resource. I said YouTube. Once you click here, now they YouTube refused it. that means user is not allowed to play inside some external content. So you need to be check the website which you are adding as a external resource that should allow us. Okay. Now second thing, same URL of YouTube I will be copy, and here I will be add as a YouTube. Now I properly adding as a YouTube here. Let me say YouTube video 1. Now suppose you are learning from a YouTube, you have some best lecture you have. Now you need to be assigned for this topic, save it. I save it here. You can anytime in future you come, just click on that. The particular thing will be paid for you here. Now it's not only limited to PDF. Now you can add a PDF. Whatever PDF you have, you can choose the PDF here. The limitation is PDF is like the one file should not be exceeded 10 MBs. I uploaded, all of the files will be appear here. Similar way, you have some images. I can upload the images as well. Add images. I can upload the images. So your display here, images uploaded. So this is something resource. Now if you this YouTube you are not just deleted it, just confirm deleted it. Okay. So this way you can manage your resources for each topic from your side. Now you added this is one you are containing like I will approve some of the result or more so that you can be easily understand what is happening. Hmm. Is 22 MCQ I studies. Now under that point as I also said, um, 22 MCQs are complete. I studies 2 hours, 44 MCQs. This one. Now I'm just putting any of the details here. Now if I go back here, I just change the C program. Now you see hours, how many hours completed, how many MCQ practice, how many quizzes will be there, how much percentage you have covered for this particular subject. Okay. So these are the micro details are available. Now the second major feature is that the calendar view. Calendar. So if I collected here, now you see my subscription start from the 10th of Jan. So now I cannot be at the any other details from here. So it is not allowed. Like whenever your subscription is start, you can add from that day only. Okay. Now if I go here, this is the one. Now if you see whatever the configuration planner you set for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and how many hours you put it, everything will be coming here. Now it's up to you. If you drag and drop the subject, it's up to you. Now it will say 4 hours, it is saying 4 hours. But you can just change the names and everything, but delete and update everything there. But subject level there is no extra options is coming. Okay, this can be utilized when you have expire or you have to additionally on ad hoc basis you need to study anything. Then in that case you can use. But something you have be great. So like now if I go to a subtopic level, you see that at the earlier skin I have marked some of the topics which has been completed. So let's see. So this topic is completed. I have put it here. This is completed. I can even drag and I can increase the timing as well. Like no, I have taken the timing, but this will not update the particular spend hours here. So now I said I spent some more hours here. Now you see when you hours 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. because whatever you're saying, like because I have put it 3 a.m. So it's coming as a 3 hours. Okay. Now if I selected here, you see, this is saying this is completed because this is we already marked. Now, I remember that I have added some personal note on this particular topic in the particular previous section. Once I click it here, the personal topic will be here. Whatever the notes is coming here, it is available in the your calendar view as well. Okay, the same thing. Similar way, you have added some of the resources like YouTube lecture, PDF file. If I open any of the PDFs, it can be PDF will be open here, right? This PDF is open. You have added the image, you can view on it. The image has been opened here. Similar way, you have added a view YouTube video, it will be open here. That means whatever you're doing there, here you can be visible. The same resources is visible here. But in this view, you can add a multiple thing like whatever this topic you have not rated, but I am going to be complete this topic is here. Then I will complete this topic. Apart from that, I will also study some of the network thing here. Then I will study operating system. So I will go to operate. So you can be go to a subtopics level, you can add it in. Now you see, this is completed, this is not completed. Okay, now you see, it's not completed. So if you click on that, if you click here, the same view will be appear here. I say I have spent 1 hour here. My confidence level is good. Select and approve it. Once you select, now you have mark as and check here, but now you need to be either cancel or either update. Okay, I will cancel it. You see, this is updated. That way, yeah, even sometimes you haven't, but this is the timing allocated. The syllabus is not reflected with the calendar. Now it's up to you. What, how you can manage your calendar. Like for this week, I'm going to study this week, and how many topics has been completed here. How to resources here. In this way, this particular calendar can be help you out. Okay. Now you can drag and drop anything if you want subject, anything, multiple things are there. Okay. Subject, you don't have these particular features. Mark complete. But for a subtopic level, if you're this one resources, nothing resources there. Even nothing about drag top. You can add your own event. Like for this timing, let me say not here. So let me add from what is this? Let me add it 9 a.m. Yep, 9 a.m. Friday. This is my lunch or my breakfast time. Breakfast time. Breakfast, no subtopic name, duration is hour one. So this is coming as a general and a breakfast. When I selected here, any column you selected, there is a you can add. That means each cell is clickable. If you click here, if you click here, if you click here, then there is a pop-up will be appear. Okay. This up. Okay. Wherever you click, the pop-up will be appear for each of the cells. Now, this is something that is a calendar view. You can also check with the monthly view. The same thing what the entire month you are going to be study, week, day, everything will be there. For this 2 days, I don't have anything. Let me for tomorrow, something is there. 13, I have this one I added. So this way you can manage it out. Okay. Now, there is a one more thing here. As you are a pro, if you are here, like suppose in the first web, whatever the hours you have allocated, based on that you need to be some subject level also you need to be just generated. There is an option as of now, but we are thinking to release or not. But if you click here, it will ask you about from what time you are going to be start, what time you are going to be at, and for each subject how many breaks you need. So if you click on generate, so that means it is auto generated entire week, entire month calendar because you are in the month view. Now you see on Monday you are only taken a C, so it's only coming for C 4 hours. You are going to be work on that. Now this is 4 hours on that particular day. If I go back in the week view, so it is coming. Now again you can be scheduled. No, I will work here, but there is no option because coming out the extra option because this is not a subtopic level. Subtopic level auto generation is not available because at that time we need to be manage multiple things and multiple subjects are there. So subtopic level you need to be manage it. But we will think on it if it really required. We will create the subtopic level as auto generated for a month or for a week. So this is something is on for the smart study planner. So if you taking for the 6 month of tag DBDA now before DBDA start, you can prepare all of your course here and you can put extra topics, subtopics. So during your entire January that you can be tracked for suppose the operating system is started. So now first day you are tracking your operating system. Okay, this one today we have learned this one. So if even you have not configured, you have a chances like what you have learned. So you can directly go to the calendar view, add your today's event, like what you study, how many hours you spend it. So in a day, you can be easily track what you are doing. Or even for today's date, you have some resources like today's day you are get some your short notes. You can be add as a resource as a created a PDF and uploaded it. So in the last side, like after 6 months, when you're going for a revision site, so this already details has been available with you and easy to access. So in this way, the study planner can be help you out. So the same feature, if you go any of the other websites, they are charging about from $5 to $10 with this particular feature. They are not providing calendar. If you need a calendar, then it's a $10 feature. But existing feature, we are providing this thing. Okay, and they are charging per month $10. We are charging for a 6 month. But if you are taking a DAC or DBDD, we are giving a 9 month of validity. So that means it will be a less than your uh, T monthly cost. T is 10 rupees. Per month cost is 300 rupees. 6 month is 80. Even is less than your T cost. Okay, guys. So this is something introduction about this study planner. So if you go back, you can manage from the home screen. It's here. So these are the things. Even you will get in very less price as this is an introduction. Like we are newly launching, we are providing some of the our existing subscribers some benefits are there. Even the students which who are providing the some of the exams question like currently is happening today, so they will get a more discount there here. So in this way, you can get this particular advanced feature in a very less price, in a penny prices. Okay. So this is an overview. So you can be even you can explore all the features that. And if you need any help on that particular things, you can be connected with our WhatsApp number You can get in our website. You can be directly message us like if you face any of the issues. And if you like this particular study planner, please like and subscribe our channel as well. Thank you guys.